Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Today we're diving into Amazon's best sellers in-home gadgets for 2024. From smart devices to time-saving tools, these top picks will transform your home life. Stay tuned for the latest must-have gadgets, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. So friends, let's start the video.
Mini freezer. The Bangson upright freezer with a compact capacity of 1.1 cubic feet is an ideal solution for those seeking additional storage without compromising space. Its dimensions of 18.5 inches in depth, 18 inches in width, and 19.1 inches in height make it suitable for small apartments, dorm rooms, or as an extra unit in a larger home. The sleek black finish paired with stainless steel door material adds a modern touch that can seamlessly blend with various kitchen styles. Its design does not only prioritize aesthetics, functionality is at the forefront. The freezer provides ample storage with a thoughtful layout that accommodates a range of food items, from frozen meals to ice cream. The adjustable shelves ensure that you can customize the internal space according to your needs, ensuring convenience for various types of food storage. In terms of performance, the Bangson upright freezer operates efficiently, maintaining consistent temperatures while minimizing.
Mini washing machine. The Pile Portable Mini Washing Machine proves to be a practical solution for those seeking convenience in small spaces. With dimensions measuring 11.64D into 1164 TAU into 6.4H, this compact appliance fits seamlessly into apartments, dorms, or RVs, catering to users with limited space without sacrificing functionality. Designed for a maximum capacity of 2 kilograms, the washing machine effectively manages smaller loads, making it an ideal choice for individuals, couples, or those with specific laundry needs such as baby wear. The top load access allows for easy loading and unloading, simplifying the washing process. Weighing only 12.7 pounds, the Pile Mini Washer is both lightweight and portable, facilitating ease of movement from one location to another. The nylon material used in its construction ensures durability while maintaining a sleek white aesthetic that complements any environment. The manual controls, operated by a straightforward knob.
Satin pillowcase. The BedSure satin pillowcase for hair and skin in queen size is designed to provide a smooth and luxurious sleeping surface. Made from high-quality satin, it reduces friction on your hair, preventing breakage and frizz, while also being gentle on your skin, helping to minimize wrinkles. The pillowcase's soft, silky texture ensures a comfortable night's sleep, leaving you feeling refreshed in the morning. It's hypoallergenic and breathable, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Available in a variety of colors, it complements any bedroom decor. Easy to care for, it's machine washable and durable for long-lasting use.
Pillows. Insert. Utopia bedding throw. Pillow inserts are plush, comfortable, and perfect for adding style to your home. Each set includes high-quality pillow inserts that maintain their shape, providing great support for your couch, bed, or chairs. The soft, durable fabric is designed to withstand daily use while staying fluffy and cozy. These inserts come in a variety of sizes to fit any decorative pillow covers, making them versatile for any room. Hypoallergenic and easy to maintain, they're ideal for people with sensitivities. Simply fluff them up after unpacking and they're ready to use. Upgrade your home decor with these luxurious pillow inserts.
Towel hooks. The 6-pack stainless steel heavy-duty adhesive towel. Hooks by Dokrock offers a practical solution for bathroom organization while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your space. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed finish, these hooks exude a modern and stylish look that seamlessly blends with various decor styles. The matte black color provides a contemporary touch and is resistant to fingerprints and smudges, ensuring that the hooks maintain their sleek appearance even with regular use. The heavy-duty adhesive backing is a standout feature, allowing for easy installation without the need for drilling or damaging your walls. This not only saves time but also offers versatility for renters or individuals looking to maintain a clean look without permanent fixtures. In terms of functionality, these hooks are robust and can securely hold multiple towels or other items, making them ideal for a busy bathroom environment.
Pressure washer. The LWQ electric pressure washer stands out as a powerful and efficient solution for various cleaning tasks around the home and yard. With a maximum pressure of 4,200 psi, this model is designed to tackle tough grime, dirt, and stains, making it suitable for everything from driveways and patios to vehicles and outdoor furniture. Weighing in at just 15.2 pounds, the pressure washer remains portable while offering substantial cleaning power. Its corded electric power source ensures consistent performance without the hassle of gas refills, making it an eco-friendly and convenient choice. The vibrant green color adds a touch of style to its functional design, appealing to both practical and aesthetic preferences. The 23-foot hose length provides generous reach, allowing users to cover larger areas without constantly shifting the unit. This extended hose, combined with the product's compact dimensions, 14L into 11W into 18H, means it can fit into tight spaces.
Sheet set. This queen-size 4-piece sheet set offers ultimate comfort with its soft, breathable, and cooling fabric. Perfect for a restful night's sleep, the set includes a fitted sheet, flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Made from high-quality materials, these sheets wick away moisture, keeping you cool and comfortable all night long. The deep pockets ensure a snug fit on most mattresses. Easy to care for and durable, this sheet set is perfect for everyday use.
Nugget ice makers. The Zafro Nugget Ice Maker is an exceptional addition to any kitchen or entertaining space, providing a seamless way to create the beloved nugget ice that so many users crave. With compact dimensions of 12.99 inches in depth, 11.81 inches in width, and 9.06 inches in height, this device is designed to fit comfortably on countertops without taking up excessive space. One of the standout features of this ice maker is its impressive capacity, able to produce up to 35.5 pounds of nugget ice per day. This makes it an ideal choice for those who entertain frequently or simply enjoy having a plentiful supply of soft, chewable ice at hand. The 115 volts of power ensures efficient operation while keeping energy consumption manageable. Additionally, the nugget ice produced is not just a casual affair. It complements chilled beverages and enhances all kinds of drinks, making every sip more enjoyable. The texture of nugget ice often preferred in bars and restaurants.
Bathroom rugs mat. The Olanley bathroom rug mat, sized at 30x 20 inches, offers a soft and plush feel underfoot, making it perfect for stepping out of the shower or bath. Made from ultra-absorbent microfiber, it quickly soaks up water to keep your bathroom floor dry and safe. The non-slip backing ensures the mat stays securely in place, reducing the risk of slipping. Its modern design and variety of color options make it easy to match with any bathroom decor. Easy to clean, this durable mat is machine washable for hassle-free maintenance. It provides both comfort and functionality, making it a great addition to any bathroom.
Shower liner clear. The Barossa Design Plastic Shower Liner in Clear is a durable and waterproof addition to any bathroom. Made from high-quality PVC-free plastic, it helps keep water inside the shower while maintaining a clean, sleek look. The clear design allows for natural light to flow through, making your shower space feel larger. It features rust-proof grommets for easy hanging and reinforced edges for long-lasting use. This shower liner is also easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for any bathroom setup.
Ant Killer. The Taro T300B Liquid. Ant Killer is an effective solution for eliminating household ants. Its liquid formula attracts ants, allowing them to carry the bait back to the colony, wiping out the entire infestation. The pre-filled bait stations are easy to use and mess-free, perfect for placing in areas where ants are commonly seen. It works quickly to reduce ant activity and offers long-lasting protection. Safe to use indoors, it's a reliable option for keeping your home ant-free.